All right, Bill from Solar Bill Review here. Couple things. The Go Green loans are now available. Interest rates under 4% are available. The loan terms anywhere from 30 months all the way to 20 years. This is the best interest rates that I've seen in a couple years. So please give us a call and we'll help you out with that. Also, any of these loans you do need to get storage with. So it's solar and storage. The least expensive storage you could get is the Enphase non-backup battery, and that is a 5 kilowatt battery, and it's $5,000. So that's one option. That's your least expensive battery option. I also want to let you know that I just today cleaned my solar panels for the first time in 10 years. I was my first customer. And whenever people have asked me about cleaning panels, I never could give a recommendation because I didn't have the facts. I could never tell you, I personally saw the kilowatt hours change from this to that. I will know within the next week what is the difference on how much production I got over a full week. And I did it purposely right on the 21st, which is we're going to be losing a little bit of production on a day-to-day basis. We're losing a minute, so it's 5 minutes worth of production in 5 days, so it's not going to be much. So look forward to that next week. We're also looking to get your feedback, anything that you have questions on, where you feel like we should do a video on it and dig in and do a little bit more in depth. Please give us your feedback. We would love to get your feedback on what's important to you. Uh, I know that the panel cleaning thing, because I've had so many calls, and looking forward to helping everybody. Thank you for being so supportive and helping us grow. We now have over 2,000 active customers, and really proud of the people that I'm associated with, our roofers, our electricians, our heat pump people, the panel cleaning, the bird abatement, and all of our customers. Thank you so much for empowering us to be and telling us and going online and telling us the things you like. Yeah, I do read my own reviews, and it keeps me focused on the things that people do appreciate. So please give us more feedback. What would you like to get from us? What more can we give to you? So please give us that feedback, and we're very thankful and look forward to seeing you next week with the next video. But in the meantime, check out if you need more solar, or if you don't have any solar yet, you've been kind of boiling like a frog, let's get you some solar, and let's stop being all in with PG&E, and let's change the world together. Thanks.